Hi Aquarius and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of February is going to be for you. It feels like month of February is a fabulous month for you. It's a month of abundance. It's a month of growth. It's a month of new beginnings. It's a month of new sun rising. It's a month of relationships. It's a month of celebrations. It's a month of little budgeting. But it's a month which will give you everything if you don't compare your life with others. So comparisons are big no-no in this month for you. There are some old structures which are going to fall off, but they are going to fall off for your best, and they are going to bring in new abundance, new opportunities, new growth for you. So it's a beautiful month for you. If we start from health perspective, I kind of see a chance of some kind of surgery. Either it has already happened or there is a possibility of surgery happening, because there's 10 of swords and there's tower. But having said that, the cards are saying that healing is going to be very fast, and if at all this happens, not necessarily it will happen, but if at all it happens, the healing is going to be very fast, so you don't have to be worried about it. Second, this month take care of your comfort. So give your body a comfortable seat to sit, give your body a comfortable zone, a comfortable place. That's going to be important this month. Other than that, I don't see any health issues on your card, so there is nothing to worry. Hello bolo.
Hello.
Bolo hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Okay, so my daughter wants to give you her guest appearance this month. It's your zodiac, so she does it with like almost one zodiac every month, so it's yours this month. So if we talk about your wealth or money situation, there is nothing to be worried about your money situation, because there is Queen of Pentacle, because there is Empress, and with Empress and Queen of Pentacle energy, there is growth undoubtedly. Now the only thing that I would tell you is that budgeting is going to be very important this month, because this month, one, you're going to celebrate a lot of things, so there is going to be expenses with regards to celebrations. There's a possibility of travel, so there will be expenses with regards to travel. There's a possibility, like I said, of a surgery, so there are going to be expenses with regards to surgery as well. So there is money flow that will happen, but money will go out equally, and that is why it is very important to budget carefully. So budgeting is going to be important this month. Along with that, like I said, don't compare your life with other people. So at the same time, you'll have to be careful that you're not investing your money somewhere because other people are doing it. So just don't invest your money based upon what other people are doing. If you don't do that, and if you budget well, then because there is Empress card, I don't see any problem happening with regards to money. Abundance is flowing into your life. If we talk about your love or relationships, this month is a good month for love or relationships. There is a possibility to hear from somebody in your past who you thought the relationship is broken or ended, or somebody who was not contacting you. There is a possibility of that person coming back into your life and that relationship becoming beautiful. There's a possibility to propose somebody new. There's a possibility to get a new proposal. There's a possibility of new beginning happening, or a new beginning, communication regarding new beginning happening in your relationships. There's a possibility of engagement, marriage. There's a possibility where you connect with your life partner, where there is a possibility of pregnancy with the Empress card. So overall, your relationships are going to be beautiful and nurturing this month. The only thing that you need to take care of is that communicate really well. So this month, don't use harsh words, don't communicate in hurry, in haste, and don't compare your life with others. That's going to be one of the most important things. Don't compare your partner with other people. Don't compare yourself with other people. That's going to be important. Though there is Tower card, but it feels like Tower card means that this month your belief system about relationships and the negative belief systems about your relationships that you had in your mind is going to fall off, and from there is going to come new growth, new relationships, new balances. If there is anybody out there who wants to go or move somewhere out for further study, that is a possibility that is again there, that they will go for the further study. Or if you've been thinking about changing or traveling with your family, that's another thing that is possible. It feels like it's going to happen. The traveling, the movement, the shifting, that's something that I kind of see on your cards happening. If we talk about from your job or career perspective, I see new opportunities opening up for you with the Ace of Swords. Now with those new opportunities, the only thing is there is a possibility of an opportunity coming from somewhere, either the person who you have worked already in your past with, or it could be a gift from somebody's trying or beginning a new venture and wants you to join in. Now the only thing is, I wouldn't say that you should not go ahead for this, because it feels like the opportunity, any opportunity that comes your way is going to give you growth and new beginning. The only thing is, until you have that opportunity materialized for yourself, do not change, do not leave your present job. That's the only thing that you need to take care of. Second, there is growth on your cards. So job related, there is a growth, there is an opportunity to grow in your business or in your job. As such, there is a possibility of promotion that you've been waiting for, that you've been looking forward to. But the problem is that it might not be same as some other people who are working alongside you, and that is why you might just get into that zone of comparing yourself and thinking that you're not getting the reward that you deserve. If you get into that zone, you will not be able to reap the results, because this opportunity is going to give you immense growth, and maybe this growth might not be as big as compared to other people around you, but this growth is going to actually take you long way. That is why this month, ensure that whatever is coming to you is a gift, whatever is coming to you is for your betterment, for your further growth, for giving you abundance. And that is why it is very important to take all the opportunities and the growth positively this month. Also, if in business, if you have been looking forward for an investor, the investor you will come your way, so you'll find an investor. If you have been looking forward for a partnership, that's going to happen this month, so cards are positive about that also. If you have been thinking to move forward, move out, study or go for further studies somewhere, or shift your business or work somewhere, that's another thing that is possible on your cards. If you have given any exams, any competitive exams, and you've been waiting for the results, a positive result is going to come your way. So overall, this month is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful month for you in your career or opportunity perspectives as well. If we talk about your soul path, this month your crown is opening up, because there is Tower card, your crown is opening up. There is Ace of Sword, your crown is opening up, and it is very, very clear that that crown opening is going to give you immense growth. And that is why, and that is immense growth because Empress is not only responsible for her own growth, she is responsible for the growth of many, many, many more people. And we've already entered the age of Aquarius. It's your age, it's your time, and it's a time where you're going to grow like this. And that is why this month it is very important that meditate every day, practice grounding every day. It is going to be immensely important for you to have your crown opened, so that you connect with the source and the spirit directly, and you get all the downloads that are required for you. If we talk about chakra of the month for you, the chakra of the month is root chakra or the base chakra. Again, now that matches pretty well with the soul path or soul growth for you, because when crown opens, the grounding is very, very important. The base chakra balance is very important. The mantra for base chakra is Lam. Base chakra is located at the base of the spine. So practice this mantra every day, practice this meditation every day. Ensure that you don't miss it, because your crown is opening. Base chakra is going to give you that stability where the crown opens and you are able to receive everything and you go towards that growth. The mental exercise of month for you is cornucopia. Cornucopia is a card which says that there is immense growth, abundance that is flowing into your life, and I see that happening. And your affirmation of the month is going to be, the universe is abundant. All that I desire comes to me in just the right time and way. I am blessed. Say this, practice this meditation every day, because like I said, though this month budgeting is important, but there is a lot of growth and lot of abundance that is coming your way. Number of the month for you is going to be number 1. Color of the month, any shade of red, yellow or golden is going to be good for you. Surrender card of the month this month for you is surrender comparisons with other people. Keep your eyes trained on yourself. Focus on your own strengths, attractiveness and power. And that is why it is very important. If you do this, the only roadblock that you have this month, if you compare yourself with other people. If you don't do that, it is going to work out amazingly well this month for you. This month is going to give you a lot of abundance. If we talk about your unicorn message of the month, the first card is the silence. It says, be still, for the answers lie in the silence. And that is why it is important for you to meditate, because when crown opens, there is information or download that happens to you from the source, and only if you are meditating or if you are silent will you be able to kind of get that download. The second card is soul purpose. It says, act on your soul purpose today. And that is why it is important you begin those meditations from today. You begin believing in yourself from today, and everything is going to become a blessing for you. Don't compare yourself with anybody. What will happen if you follow the advice of the card? The card is the sun. It says, life is wonderful, thrive through the power of positive thinking and inspiring success. And that is why the sun is going to rise for you, abundance is going to happen for you, and it is going to be immensely important for you to let it happen. This month I am also taking some life cards, 1, 2, 3, whatever comes out for you. So let's see what's for you. Guidance for Aquarius. Wow, so there is another knight. So the card is Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles is a knight who's coming with a gift, a coin. He's analyzing success, he's analyzing his future, he's analyzing how he moves forward, and money or abundance is flowing into his life. And that is why this month abundance is going to flow to you if you actually be focused on yourself, on your growth, on your nurturing, and don't compare yourself with anybody else. If you do that, this month is going to be great month for you. There are a lot of other videos on my channel that can help you with this, the meditations, the soul growth. If you're interested, you can learn tarot. That will help you develop your intuition. If you can know all about chakras, you can know all about meditations, you can know all about affirmations. So there is a lot of the videos on my channel that can help you grow and move through this phase of your life. If you can go to the playlist and find those videos. If you find something useful, leave a feedback, leave a comment for me, and if you can, please subscribe the channel, share this video with everyone, because whoever is in this sign or an Aquarius, there is abundance that is flowing if they don't compare themselves, and that's the only precaution they need to know. So share this with everyone that you can, and I will see you with the next month's prediction. Subscribe the channel if you haven't. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Bye bye, and say bye.
Say bye.
बोलो bye.
Bye.
See you.
See you.
कैमरा में देख के. Take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
And don't compare.
Don't compare.
Abundance is coming.
That's coming.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you.